Welcome to Studio Video, folks. I'm your friendly artist, James Thomas. This is where art, music, fashion, photography, video all collide under one hub. This is where I demonstrate how I draw charcoal portraits and hopefully set some dope artworks on your walls at home. So if that sounds interesting, please like and subscribe for more continual content. And if you want to receive one of these charcoal portraits that's custom made, please follow the link down below in the description to help get you started. All right, gang, without further ado, let's dive into the art.
The Queen of Wands is a person with a great deal of charisma, energy, true passion for what they're doing, and is full of ideas on how to get things done. Deep self-knowledge. She is someone who has transformed themselves. This person has an agile and quick mind. This indicates a passion directed towards projects or community. This has a quality of warm, loving, productive. Ambition or mastery is in full flower. Capable of giving sensible and insightful advice. This is an understanding leader, someone who is empathetic, but also visionary, very connected to the people around them. This indicates a mature woman in full flower, or someone that's very connected to their community and is fully realized. The cat on the card represents someone with an agile mind, a quick thinker, can move quickly, can shift their energy and go and make quick changes and quick judgments, really has a great gut instinct. represents a healthy sexuality, capable of giving sensible and insightful advice. Don't be shy. Get in there. Embark or continue on a path of self-discovery. This is a call to express yourself through creative projects. To communicate your vision to the people around you. Don't be afraid of speaking up, seizing an idea, and making sure it comes to full flower. Ambition or mastery is in full flower.